Okay. I think I'm gonna start. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Oh, that was bad, sorry. Sorry for your ear holes. I adjusted gain because my AC was very, very loud yesterday, and I did not like that. So yeah, let's see what we're doing today. Let me organize my chat windows. Gifted Mick Clintock. Yeah. Not hit. Oh, cool. I'm authenticated on my server. All right. So yesterday, what we worked on. Oh, I might want to stand up. Yesterday, what we got working was this ball moves. The player moves, and the ball bounces off of the walls. So today what I'm going to try and do is refactor this wall code because it's not very good. It basically just it basically just does this. So when you have a wall and the ball's here and then it moves, this is kind of far, but like it wants to move here. We just detect if like the X position is negative. And that's considered out of bounds. And then so instead of correcting it, because this has a vector over here. Oh, that is distracting. Okay, my stream works. Cool. Sorry, I had my own cast stream up on my laptop because I wanted to make sure that it worked and looked good. But anyway, back to the explanation. So if the ball moves outside of the wall, what I want to do is walk back on the vector and basically see at what point do these things intersect, and then like basically undo this amount of the vector movement, and then we can reflect the vector and then move that amount. So right now what it does is it just moves over to here. So it just makes the X 0, I think. Actually, you know what? I don't think it does. I think this might be fine too, but I kind of want to do it this other way. It just keeps you there, but it just moves like on the reflected vector. So we reflect the vector and then we kind of calculate how much what the X distance or the Y distance if we're out of bounds on the Y. Right. We just calculate how much we're out of bounds and then we move on this vector. So this might not actually, if you move too far in one frame, this might not get you back in bounds. That's one problem. And the other problem is that right now the code is just specific to this X vector, or like this one of the components, either the X or the Y. I want it to do both X and Y. So when we move to blocks and we're moving and we need to bounce off of blocks, then I think it'll be easier after we've detected that one, we have a collision, and then two, what line we're intersecting. After that, we can reuse this reflect code. Well, that's my hope. We're going to try that with the player first, and then after that, we will be able to focus on the health and I guess breaking of the breakouts. Okay. So now we can go back to code. Wow, this has just been going forever. That's cool. Will that move it into the center? Okay, cool. That's where I want it. And let me get comfortable because yesterday I did not get comfortable. If I'm a little distracted, I messed with the gain, like I said, not the gain, but I have a noise gate now, or an activation gate on my microphone. It seems to be working. Yeah, but yeah, if I get distracted or if I just kind of like silently just look at the at my OBS and then start talking again, is just to make sure that you guys can hear me. So far my voice seems to be good, and you're not picking up computer fans or, well, the AC's off right now, but when it kicks on, I'll double check. But yeah, let me know if you hear any of the fans or background noise, and if that's distracting, I can try to adjust it either this stream or next stream. Where we breakout? Yeah. Okay. So main. So I guess we'll just do that right now. Instead of doing the leftover, we're going to BV this frame. So ball velocity is frame. That's the ball direction velocity vector times the speed amount, and then times, I should probably just, oh geez, that's a ton. I should probably just put that in a variable. So okay, so what we're going to do is we've detected a collision, so we're going to subtract how much we've moved this frame to get the original position, right? And then we're going to, let's see, we're going to do point, I think. And so, okay, so AB and CD. This is Y, this is ball, pose. Oh no, so this would be, I think I need a position. Okay. And so what is this? Ball end. And that's just going to be ball position plus BV frame. I just realized we can just do ball end equals the current position, because we've already detected that this is out of bounds. So this is where the ball is ending, and we're out of bounds by the if check. So now we're going to go down here and we're going to say we're going to undo the movement that we did up this frame, so that'll give us to the original position. So yeah, now so once we do the collision detection, we've moved here. So I'm storing that position because I need to make a line for it, and that line is going to be how much we've moved. So I'm going to find the intersection point between the line and whatever wall we've hit. So, which I think is right there. And so yeah, like ball end, we're storing here because we've already moved this frame, and then we're walking that back to get the original position. And then we're going to probably just move the ball like over here. So like it's gonna, technically it's gonna move this way, but we're doing calculations of like, oh, it bounced off of here and now it's go over here. But it's all animated, and these are very, very small movements, so it'll look very, very good. Hopefully it'll look very good. I don't know if it actually will look very good, but the goal is to make it look good. So yeah, so now we're going to find the intersection point, and so I think we want ball end Y. Oh, okay. What is this? This is just factor. I don't know what to call this. We're going to call it factor. That's probably the incorrect term. And then D is going to be ball end dot Y, subtract ball position, which is now the original position before we moved this frame. And then we're going to do divide by, oh, is that supposed to be, yeah. Oh, was that correct? I wonder if that's a typo. We'll do it this way. Ball pose.x, maybe that's correct. Minus c, so it's ball and dot x. Yeah, and then so point is a times, what is a? What did I decide a was? I'm gonna look that up, hold on. Oh, that's not what I want. Wiki how, I guess. Brilliant. How did I word this? Because I don't want it to express like this. Oh, I don't want it algebraically. Euler. It's Cartesian. Holy Jesus God. Can I just get like 2 lines intersecting? Oh no, yeah, that's not what I want. I want Cartesian. How do you spell Cartesian? Cartesian. Line intersection. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. Oh Jesus. No, not. I'm giving 2 points on each line segment. Yeah, there we go. That's what. Oh, geometry. That's the word. Above is for the infinite lines. Points. Rather than the line segments. Between the points. Oh, okay, so this is line segments. Okay, and that's fine. I can produce an intersection point not contained in either of the 2 line segments. We define the position of the intersection in respect to the line segments. We can define lines L1 and L2 in terms of first degree Bezier parameters. Okay. Oh, no, I see. Okay. I see what. What is function t? Oh, this is complicated. What is x3? Okay. Where t and u are real numbers. Intersection point of the lines. With one of the following values. T and u. So no, this was incorrect. So we're going to do delete that. So this is going to be Is that what I just, yeah, okay, that's what I just looked up. Oh, okay, that's what I was missing. This is cross product. I feel like I did this. I'm gonna, whoops. There we go. Okay. Is left of point. Which point C is left? Line A, B, restart, looking at B. Oh, that's not. Okay, so I'd never done that. That's what I was thinking of. Okay, it was just left of line. Okay, so I never have done. That's why I think it's so complicated, because I've never thought about this before. Okay. To reduce the number of permutation steps. Function C, both text line intersection and terminator intersection point. Based on an algorithm. Tricks of the Windows game programming gurus. This is Gareth. Okay, yeah. Line intersection of y, 2xy, 3xy. Okay, and we return those. One lines intersect, otherwise 0. In addition, the lines intersect the intersection point may be stored in the floats ix, iy. Okay. So we declare all those. Ooh. P0y, or P0x. Okay, so this is just expressing, I think, the direction vector of each line. And then we're calculating S and T. So we are taking, okay, so we're doing the math. Nice. Less than 1. T is greater than 0 and less than 1. Less than equal to 0 or less than equal to 1. We have a collision. If those pointers are not null, then we set the data in those pointers to be P0. Okay, so I think P0 plus T. So I think P0 is going to be our ball original location. And then P1 is going to be our end location. And then P2 and 3 are going to be our what am I trying to say? It's going to be our whatever we've intersected with, or whatever we think we've intersected with. Yeah. I'm just going to stuff this into a nice little function. Let's see. Let's get line to section. Yeah. Vector2. Oh, you know what? I don't actually need to define anything, do I? I can just be like P0, P1, P2, P3, and then do I define what comes out? Can I have a tuple? Python, tuple. I have already searched this apparently. Okay, cool. Functions need a return type. Okay, so I could, if I wanted to. Interesting, okay. That's neat. Yeah, I think I will. Vector2. And then we're just gonna vtel, comma, yank. P. And then P. Oops, P. Oh no, I wanted a tuple. What's the, is that a type though? How to create, oh, I thought this was actual documentation. Okay, so it's like that. How do you access the stuffs? Oh, okay. Can you use like dot? Oh, okay. Oh, sure. Okay. So it's just like an array, I guess. Okay. And then what was I here for? Tuple. Well, let me get rid of this actually. And then I'll just return the tuple. Okay. And then we're gonna go back here. And let's see. This one is just gonna be 1 minus 2, 1 minus P, or P0. And then S2 is gonna be 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, and then I'm gonna find S. That's negative, that's 1y. p0x minus p2 dot x plus s1 dot x times p0 dot y minus p2 dot y divided by t dot x plus s1 dot y plus s1 dot x times 2 dot y. Then t uh-oh. Okay. Oh, cool, fixed it. That's 2 dot x. Oh, this is y now. P0 dot y. P2 dot y. Plus. Oh, just kidding. Subtract. Okay. We want to try and understand this a little bit. 2 lines. Whoops, that is a straight line. Whoop. Whoop. Sure, yeah. Whoop. Draw the line first. And then the points. This is like 1, 1. Maybe like negative 2, 1, I guess. It's like negative 1, 2. Maybe that's 3. This is just 2, 2. Okay, so we're finding S1, which is this. Okay, so this is just a direction vector. So it would be what's negative 2. Oh, maybe not. Okay, negative 1 minus 1. It's gonna be 0. Just kidding. Okay. This is P0. Here we'll just say P0, P1, I guess P2, and then P3. So then S is a direction, or S1 is a direction vector, right? And so that's going to be 0. I guess it's non-normalized. We're subtracting those, yep. Okay, so that would be 2. And then S2. Oh, probably shouldn't have drawn both those. Oh, and that's 3 minus 2 plus a positive, so that's 4. And then 3, 2 minus 1, 1. And so that's the direction from here to there. Yeah. Or the distance, I guess that's the distance, because we're not normalizing it, so I guess it's just the distance. Okay, cool. And then we're coming up with the S and the T, and we're using the S and the T to see if there was a collision. Okay, so then, oh wow, yeah, that's a lot. Okay. And so, what are we taking here? So S1 negative Y times P0 minus P2 on the X, which are the original points. I don't understand this. I'm not going to do this on stream anymore. I will read about this later, but I don't know exactly what it's doing. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll figure out why this works later. Because it looks like I don't have a typo. Did I? Okay, interesting. And how are these used? So S isn't even being used for these. Dot product. Oh, I wonder if that's kind of what we're doing here. Oh, so P and Q plus fact. Oh. Okay, interesting. And this is more for an array, but for an array. Oh no, because that's just the movement vector. Okay, so basically 2 lines, and then okay. I kind of get it. I can't explain it right now, which means that I probably don't actually get it. We're gonna push forward though, and I will sit down and understand that later. I want to say that it's basically like kind of basically finding the point based off of like, yeah, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Dot products, math, wibbly wobbly, mathy wathy. Okay, so we have a collision. Oops, why am I in visual mode? Oops, come on. So here we can just make a new vector, I think. It's just vec. Whoa, no, not that button. Page it. Okay, sure. Oh, I guess the back doesn't know what it is. I don't fucking know. Okay. Vector 2 0. big true. Back. Otherwise, return false and back. Cool. And then let me 0. Vector 2, 0, 1. Vector 2, also 0, 1. And then this is a start pygame. Oh no, I want that 0, 0, don't I? 0. 1, 1. Yeah. Oh, I guess I should like actually top and did intersect. Why did I put a C in there? B, point, S, top 0 to 1. What? Oh. How do you format in Python? Oh, I didn't wash my hair last night. Bunch of acne now. Probably doesn't help that I'm eating a lot of sugary stuffs. I think I need to stand. I'm back. Oh. Oh, there's a way to do this all fancy, right? $sign, right? Show me the $sign. I'm pretty sure there's a $sign. Binary character unlocked. X. S string. Okay, that's fine. I thought there was a way. Oh yeah. No. Nope. I'm pretty sure there was something like do that. Is that it? Do top 0. I don't think that's it. Oop. Top 1. And there's don't do that. I swear this Python not have that. F. It wasn't a $sign, it was F. For format. That makes sense. Haha. Okay, now let's get a failure case. Top line intersection. Spelled correctly this time. Pygame vector 2. 0, 0. No, let's do like 2, 0. And then pygame dot vector 2. And then we do 2, 2. So that should be a vertical line. Right, and then we're going to do another one that's a vertical line just somewhere else. Vector, like -1, 0, -1, 3. Just to be different. Oops. P. What? Oh, that was a little too many. Oh, I did mean vector. You are correct. What was that button? Oh, cool. That's a cool button. So what is that? Semicolon just goes to the end parenthesis? Or the character just before the next end parenthesis. Oh, cool. How do you go back? Oh, not shift. Okay. Mark. Okay, that's a mark. What about that? Oh, neat. Wait, what? Oh, that's why that looked weird. I was gonna say something. I was like, no, it's spelled vector, but. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. Are these the same? Let's go back over here. Make sure that these are supposed to be the same. 2x, 2x, 1y, 1y, 1x, 1x, 2y, 2y. Yeah, okay, so they're the same. F times P. Okay. Okay, I think, interesting. Okay, so this I think is, well, they already calculated that, didn't they? That's what S was. So I think my S1 and 2 are, this guy's E and F. Alright, and so P, so instead of calculating P, I guess I could just store P, which is negative, right? And then I take A and C, subtract each other, take the result of that, find the dot product of P, and then take F, and find the dot product of P, and divide that. Okay, so we would find what's A and C. Oh, that's weird. So it's the start and the end. Or no, it's the two start points. Oh, okay. So in this example, it would find this and then just multiply that by P. Or no, find the dot product between, between this and P. So I assume we would get that direction vector of how much we need to move, whoops. And then we would divide that by the dot product of F and P, and F is the other line segment. Interesting. Okay. So since this is the same, we're just going to make the denominator denom, and then we're going to pull that out of here. I feel like there's a way, like, since I'm using vectors, I can probably, or since I'm using the vector types from pygame, I can probably clean this up. Like, this is probably, I'm pretty sure this is just like dot products from like the S1 calculations. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, because I didn't take the time to learn. Enter, and then if equals 0, I'll need those. Alright, then we return false back. Oh, yeah, we have not. I'll just make that at the tippy top then. Okay. Good. False. And we just give it an empty 0, 0 vector. Okay, cool. Oops. E. Okay, now that we did the line intersection, I can continue doing the stuff. Okay, so we have the P0, which is ball pause, and P1, which is ball end. Now we need to construct our edge of the screen vector, basically. So intersection, so we can get intersection. So ball pose, and then ball end, and then pygame.vector 2. I think it's just 0, 0 for this one, and then we could do pygame vector 2. I think it's 0, and then screen dot get height. Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't need those. I am standing prone. Okay, so now we have the intersection. Right, which is 1. So that's where we want to move the ball. Then we can calculate a better leftover, a leftover vector. So that's going to be ball and minus intersection, I think. Oop. And then we're going to reflect. Okay, so we got the point of intersection, right, which is like here. And then we got the leftover, which is ball end minus the intersection, which might be in the incorrect direction. Fuck. No. -2. No. -1 still. No, would it flip the sign? -1 minus 0. What the fuck is that? Is that -2 or is that... No. It can't move. That's still 1. -1, right? Yeah, I think that's incorrect. I think we want to go intersection 0 minus 1. Yeah, I think we want to start at intersection and we want to end at end, well end. Oh, I've stood. Oh. So did we not intersect? Uh-oh. Whoops. Okay. Okay. Wonder why that is. Floats. Okay. Well, that's a fucking problem. I shouldn't add arrows. Ooh, space. Is this a reference? Copy that floppy. Oh, look at that. Hold on. We got a marvel. Oh, look at that. So that was the original before we modified it, and then we copied it into this, and then we got it. Look at that. Look at it. Fucking look at it, chat. He says to no one in the chat. I know it's Mother's Day, but I'm pretty sure my mom's working. I sent her a text, and she didn't respond. And even though my siblings are mothers, they're not my mother, so they're not getting a shout out. Just kidding. I'll text them later. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Yeah. Now that I think about that in retrospect, maybe I shouldn't be streaming because it is Mother's Day and no one is going to be watching anyone. I'm going to be spending family time. I miss my family. I don't know why I moved so far away from them. It's okay. Oh, I did not get my stand. I'm like literally standing. How did you not? Oh, okay. Fucking watch. It's okay. We got this done. We got this figured out. I might get more water though and take a short bathroom break. Okay, cool. So all that works exactly how I thought it would. He says charmingly. Ball velocity. Oh, we didn't know what ball velocity was going in. Ball position. Right. Okay, cool. We don't know what. Oh, this was ball position, I think, going in. 6682. 43. What is that? Y? Oh, wait, should that be that way? Leftover. Why is leftover like that? Is leftover correct? I wonder if leftover also needs to be switched. I wonder if I did that wrong. I wonder. Wait, is leftover? Leftover should not be that big. Wait, what? I don't think it should be that big on the Y. Okay, so ball end. Oh, yeah, it should just be ball pause. Right, which is this. And then what was the intersection? It was very small. And then that. Okay, yeah, so that's 0, 0, 0. Okay, well, why is that very small? Oh, because it's 0. Okay, then do I want that to be a positive number? So do I need a... Will that work in every case? Leftover, but I reflected leftover, right? Leftover, yeah, reflected, okay. So if it's negative x, that means it's going that way. Which is correct. No, which is incorrect. Should I flip that? Oh, I wonder if I did the thing again because 0, 0 is up here, right? And I did this and I was like, yeah, this is the direction we want to go. We want to start with that. But since like that's closest to the origin, maybe I do want to move it over here, figure out that vector, reflect it, and then that'll be the product, maybe. Well, even though that's the case, that's correct. Oh no, I did the math and I was like, no, that is correct. And then I changed it, right? Because it was broken. And I thought that was the problem. Delete. Go to the end, paste that. Back by negative. Okay. Okay. And those are using old code. Oh, that's using correct code. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, we're just calculating the leftover. Oh, hey, at least the leftover is pretty consistent. Cool. I guess it depends how fast it's moving. Cool. Oh, you know what? I don't have git. I probably want git status, git add main, git commit ball and player lines with balls. Code. Cool. Alright. So now we can just delete a bunch of shit. Oops. Oh, it did the thing. Okay, cool. Hope that's correct. Okay, so get line intersection seems to be working. We can probably make it a little better. But for now, I think that's fine. Okay, so now I think I've removed all of the code. So the specific code that I need now is the normal. I'm good. How are you? I don't remember who you are. Did you go to OGDA? Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Cool, awesome. How are you doing? Nice. Yeah, the industry is going through kind of a shitstorm right now. But yeah, good luck. I wish you well. intersection, get line intersection. Okay, I think this is pretty good. So this just now needs a few parameters, and I think it's general enough that I don't care. Can I find the normal? I think that's cross product, right? Normal of 2 points? Or do I need 3 points? Wait, there's 2 normals? Oh, on either side. Particular to the line. Buying lots of stuff. We're doing this for planes and 3D, but not 2D stuff. Please go using the math. Like, programmer more than a mathematician. Okay, so this makes sense because you basically just find the both normals that way and that way. And I think we just have to point to the one that is in the screen and not out of the screen. Can I describe that easily? Probably not. Yeah, so I was trying to be lazy, essentially thinking of how to refactor all of this into like a function and use it across all of these, and then also the player collision whenever we do player collision, and then later box collision as well with the blocks. Then I think I wanted to just be able to pass in, I think, let's see, the ball. Where's ball end? That's calculated. Okay, so we can pass in the ball position, and then I think just the start and end vector, or the start and end position of the line that we've intersected with. Might want to hold that off on that because I don't know how we will know that later in the future. Maybe we can use GJK. Maybe we'll use the GJK for the cubes or the blocks, and then use something else just for the screen. I don't know. Here, I'm going to do some math. V and yank, because I don't care what is in there. Go O, P. Okay. P0, and then 1. I wonder if this just has like normal. No. Where's the cross product? Cross product needs 3 points, right? Product. Oh, this is more for vectors. which I guess I can also calculate. Are you enjoying pygame? It's on my long list of things to learn. Python and JavaScript both are used in QA automation, which is what I'm currently trying to get caught up on. Doesn't look too bad for a game language of sorts. Yeah, it's not too bad. I like my compiled languages with strong types, and also what was the other thing? Because there's strong and weak types, and there's static and dynamic. So I like more static types and strongly typed to a degree. But yeah, like it kind of gets out of your way sometimes, but like, I don't know, when I want to like make something a little more robust, it's kind of, I find it difficult because I'm kind of thinking in like the C# kind of a way. But yeah, it's not too bad. I've been playing around with Python a lot recently, just with AI, because I've been trying to learn a little bit more of how AI works. That's been fun. So yeah, I thought I'd try out Python for game development. And also when I found when I open up an engine like Unreal or Unity or even Godot, I was hoping Godot would solve this, but it didn't, that I tend to get kind of bogged down with the systems, and like I'm gonna make something to sell and it has to be good, and I have to like put all of my everything into it. And so I was hoping with Python just kind of being more lightweight, and a language that I don't typically think too hard about. I was hoping with that and pygame I would kind of get reinvigorated with more like game design, and more art. I've been trying to learn how to draw too, so I kind of wanted to figure some of that stuff out. But yeah, it's a pretty nice language. It's not too bad. I'm unsure. I was going to try and give you advice, but I don't think I know enough to like steer you in a direction in terms of learning stuff, even just like basic stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I learn the most by just kind of learning, or just kind of like doing stuff, not really doing tutorials. So yeah, like if you want to install it and play around with pygame, like I think that'd be a good thing to learn. Give it a shot. Oh yeah, yeah. There's like learning resources too. I'm sure you can go on YouTube as well and kind of get like a crash course. Yeah, yep, YouTube. Oh, that's not the actual normal. Oh, that's really weird. Okay, we'll just print this out then. Oops. Okay, so the top one is what I want in this case. How would I detect that though? Let me see what the other vectors would look like. Oh, there's an update, isn't there? Okay, yeah, so 0, 0, so we don't have to do anything with that. We're going to do P1 update. We're going to give it screen dot get width 0, and then we're going to do all this stuff over again. Yank, paste. Okay, time to do the other two. Okay, so for this one, it's going to be the right edge. So we want P1 again, but P1 is the start. We're just going to redo it. Update screen width 0, 1, update, and so that's going to be screen width as well, and then also screen dot get height, because that's going to be the bottom. So we're testing this start point and this end point. And then we're going to do all the stuff again. Whoops. And then we're going to do the bottom, which is going to be okay. Now I'm going to be lazy because I don't want to write everything out again. I believe that's going to be 0, and then screen dot get height, and then normal is going to be P0 minus P1 this time. I did it that way because P1 is the lower right, and that's our start point, and then our end point is P0, which we just updated. Kind of confusing, but just debug code, so I can see if I can calculate the normal. Alternatively, it looks like I can use cross product as well with the normal and the direction vector. I think, yeah. No, maybe not. Whoop. Two real numbers, a sequence of two numbers, or another vector instance. Should I do update wrong? I think I have to do. I have, that's what I have. I wonder if I need a set. That'd be super dumb. Huh. 58. Oh shit. Where is that? Oh, I should have been paying attention. Let me undo those. Whoops. Redo those. And just fix this. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see, this is left. And so left, this is the correct one. No. Is this the correct one? Because the normal for that would be, yeah, positive. Okay. And then this is top. And then that's positive. Yeah. And then this is right. Right should be -1, right? Oh, well, that's not consistent at all. Unless I did that one of these wrong. Because right should be. Oops. Right, so that's going to be 1, 0. This is 0, 0, and this is max. Right, so that normal is going to be 0, 1. It's going to be -1, 0. It's going to be 0, negative. Whoops. Trying to math my way out of this. I don't know if it's gonna work though. I wonder if one of these is wrong. Did I do left top? Now that I have to debug this, I need to actually label these. Left top. It should be right. Bottom. So right, the screen width is 0, and then screen width, screen height. Yeah, I think that's correct. Then is bottom incorrect? Or P0 is 0 screen height down here, which is the end. And P1 is that. Right, so it's going to take that. Alright, fine. I won't be lazy. That was actually really quick. Ooh, hey, simmer down. Dang it, so in all cases, I think all cases, but positive, whoa, hey. Let's see if it's positive, which is what we want. And this is positive, which is what we want. And this is, oh, okay, no, it gets fucked up. Oh. Okay, I guess I can't. Yeah, I know. I always put the semicolon at the end. Yeah, it takes a while to get used to. Also, the ifs and actually conditionals, you don't need parentheses in Python. So like I will always just do if right? And then I'm like, oh crap, I don't need those anymore. And then I'll do that. So yeah, I get thrown off by that. A lot of weird oddities. I guess not oddities, just differences between the two. Okay, so I wonder to find normal if I could. I think I'm spending way too much time doing that, so we're just gonna pass the normal in. So let's see, I want all of this. Yank it. I'm just gonna throw it into a function. Def. Bounce. Physics. Oh, whoops, that's not correct. Can we just, okay, cool. So we need ball position, BB frame. Then we need start, stop, start, end. And I think we just get everything after that, right? Oh, we need the normal. Let's call it end. Okay. Intersection, define intersection, we have ball position, we have ball end that we calculated, and then that's going to be start and end from now on. I think that's all in that one. Yep. And then, so we got intersection, if we did that. Let's see, the ball end and intersection, yep. And then this is normal, this is already passed in. And ball velocity. Reflect on the normal, reflect on the normal. Ball position is now intersection plus the leftover reflected vector. Cool. Let me print our statistics. Statistics. All right. Shit. Yank. We don't want that. Oh, now I guess I can make that better. So let's see. What did I call it? Do bounce? Physics. Okay. Split. One's ball position, and then ball velocity frame, and then our start. Game vector 2, 0, 0. Screen. Oh, it also wants a normal. Height? Oh, I copied those, didn't I? Whoopsies. 1, 0. Yeah. Oops, I didn't want that. Done. Then I don't trust anything, so we're gonna do this. No, yeah, no, I think we are going to do that. And then this stuff I'm going to delete. So delete forward down. Actually, I lied. We're gonna do the stuff. And down. Paste. Right, and then we're gonna get. Oh, I haven't thought about this. This is Y, so this is top. So I think, yeah, we're starting at 0, 0 still. This just needs to change to screen. Get, whoop, screen dot get width, comma. Okay. I thought I deleted too much there. So this is going to be 0, and that's going to be 1. Now we can get rid of all that. Oops. There we go. And then, oh, not that. Down. P. Oh, and then what's this? This is going to be oh, yeah, no, that was correct. -1, oops, 0, and then what is our start and end? This is the right. So our start, I think, is going to be this. And our end's going to be screen width and height. What did you do? Oh, that's still off screen. Delete forward down. Oh, I had an extra one. Alright, and this is just going to be -1. Whoops. And then so I'm going to format these the same. Okay, so that's -1 normal, and then I'm going to do oh no, that's not what I wanted. Come on. Oh. I'm gonna go to the second one. Yank. P. And then this one's gonna be, I think it's just height. Okay. Does it blend? Whoa. It does not. It does not. Oh, we don't have ball velocity. Shit. Okay. Also, I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is all by reference. I guess we'll see. Up here. Oops. Five positional analysis and 6 were given. Oh yeah, because I didn't fucking. Okay, well, I need to look at this some more. I need to go to the bathroom real quick, if you guys can tell. All right, bathroom break real quick, and then I'm gonna finish this. I think my mic still picks up the fan. I was hoping that I gated that correctly, but I don't think I did. Okay, so why is this broken? Well, let's just print all of the variables before and after. Might just have to make those globals. I mean, just for now, because I don't really care. They're basically globals already. The only things that should be changing are ball position and then ball velocity. So let's see. Yeah, and it doesn't look like it was changed. Oh wait, where am I? Too much debug. No, I don't want the shitty widget. Left over ball, okay. Okay, fine. We'll before. Good. After. Oh no. Okay, so before. So it comes in, correct. Get an intersection, that's nice. Calculate the leftover. Looks like we reflect the velocity because this is, remember, I should label these, but this is position. I forgot what this was. Oh, it's how much we moved this frame. and then this is our velocity. This is our velocity direction vector. So that looks like it was flipped correctly. Then our ball position did change, so now we're positive. And it did look like we moved the amount, so that's all good to hear. But after that changed, so our ball position did change, but our direction vector did not. So no, it did not. Oh, our ball position is really weird. Is that correct? Did I typo that? Ball pause. What is this? Leftover ball. So, oh, that was leftover, and then the end is ball position. Yeah, okay. Well, how is this? So it gets changed. But it is not correct. So that's a problem. This gets changed. Oh, well maybe, what if I just return the updated. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna return. So we return the tuple is gonna be ball position and then ball velocity. And then we're gonna go downtown. Then can I just do ball pause, ball velocity? Just assign it to that. We're just gonna do it on this one wall first. Bonk. Okay. So before, so it comes in correct. Intersection, got an intersection, that's where we are. Left over, yep, that makes sense. And then, yeah, we need to move a little bit on the Y. Ball velocity, yeah. Okay, so we've reflected that correctly. And then our new ball position is going to be the movement amount. Oh. 489,210. That's weird. Why does it? I don't think that's correct. What is the leftover? Is that not correct? I would expect it to move, like, to be less on the Y, but it looks like it's the same on the Y. And then when it comes out, yeah, that's so odd. Did this get reflected? Oh, that doesn't change. That's just data. That did get reflected though. Huh. Well, that's weird. I don't know if I like that. But yeah, let's update. Is this still okay? Okay, I feel confident. Delete 14. Oh, look at that. Oh no. Does it crash? Oh no. Why? Did I get the wrong? Is that like the wrong vector? Oh, am I still at like an insane? Oh yeah, I am. Probably don't need to be that that smooth. So I assume, let's see, top. Assume something's wrong here. Start and end look fine. I do believe, I think my vector is positive on the Y, which is down because 0, 0 is in the top left corner. I think this is fine. I don't know. I don't know why. What? Oh, that, wait, what? Why did the, what? Boop. Boop. Okay, well that kind of sucks. Wait, why did that get stuck? Did I forget to save? Please tell me I just forgot to save, right? Maybe I just forgot to save the, what am I trying to say? When I assigned those variables from the tuple, from the function, I think I might have only done that in the left wall first, and then I hope I just forgot to save. Well, that was a lot of work. Let's see. Hopefully, it paid off. Oh, I need some more water. Okay. Oh wow, Onecast, what are you doing? Why are you at 20 megabits per second? Holy. The little server that could. What an absolute trooper. Let's see. Okay, cool. Well, that works. W. Let's get rid of all the debug. And then we'll commit, because I'm a good software engineer. And then I have a feeling we're going to want to debug that soon. Oh, all this stuff can go away too, I think. It would be nice to be able to kind of do that. That was nice too. Oops. Okay, so now I basically have a way to resolve collisions with an object. well, with the walls. I'm doing that pretty basically, just seeing if we're out of bounds. Out of bounds of the screen, and so those are the edges of the walls. So now to do something more complicated, I need to detect a collision with a rectangle. So how would you detect that? We could so I don't know exactly how I would do this. Mostly the curves, but there's a thing called GJK. I forgot the names of the people that did that, but they basically took Minkowski's sum and figured out how to do collision with it, where essentially you take two objects, and these can be any objects as far as I understand, and you sweep one object with the other, expanding the volume of the size. So like, let's say that this radius is like 2, so you would add 2 around this, and then you would, instead of having a hard edge here, you would round it because it's a circle, right? And you'd round that, and then you would round that, and you would come back, and I kind of fucked myself, but you'd round that too. So that's round. Erase that. Well, that did not. Control Z. Okay, that's kind of hard, but it's round. And so basically, you calculate the shape, and then what that allows you to do is you can now decide if the origin. Yeah, I think if you do, so if you're in space, like in Euclidean space, if I understand this correctly, and I've done this before, that after you, like, you can subtract these two, or add or subtract these two together, and that after you do that, if the origin is contained within the resulting shape, then you have a collision. And from that, you also, there's a bunch of other stuff in that paper that I haven't read yet. I've just done basic collision detection with this method in 2D, and I haven't used a circle, so I'm probably not going to use this method, but I really like how this works, and I wish I understood more of it so I could use it. But for now, I kind of just want to give you guys the overall concepts. That once you do the Minkowski sum or difference, you can also subtract the two shapes. So if you subtract these, then it'll actually make a rounded one like within here. So it'd be like this, right? I'm drawing this really quick because I don't care. And so if that resulting shape, actually we would draw that over here, because we would take one shape and subtract it from the other, and so it would be a smaller shape that was rounded. Right, and so that'd be over here, and then you check if the origin is in there, which it is not, so we don't have a collision. Whereas oh, that's a reminder for me to do something. Right, whereas oh, that was a terrible circle. Weep. Whereas here we clearly have a collision, you and I can see that, but if we subtract these two, then we would have like something like, that's rounded, oh, that's way too large. Because remember, we're subtracting. So it would be about radius less and then rounded corners. So that is, the origin is within the resulting shape. So then that would be a collision. The other thing that I could do is what we're already doing, is basically take the velocity, compare it with every line, and if we have a collision, basically do this every frame, do this with every line. Might not be too bad, depending how I calculate the points. So it'd be difficult with the player because the player moves, and so we'd have to update the points every time. But I think we could calculate the points ahead of time, or right, so these don't move at all. So we can just calculate all the points when we spawn them. And so like they'd have a position and like a width and a height, and we can just use that to calculate the points and then store that somewhere, and then that wouldn't be too bad to compare that with that. But like since the player moves, we'd have to calculate that anytime they moved, which is every frame, which might be bad because it's only 4 points. Yeah, 4 points, 4 lines. We'd probably want to actually calculate the line segments instead of just leaving them as points. Yeah, do most of the calculations that what am I trying to say? Do most of the calculations when we spawn the blocks before the main loop, so we're not doing calculations every loop. I'm gonna get some water real quick. I will be back in like 2 seconds. Just getting like a minute or two. Not literally 2 seconds. You guys hear me? I said oh, because I think maybe. Oh wait, no, I'm dumb. I already said that, right? I did already say that, but I didn't finish like my complete thought. So like, when I was like, oh, we can just calculate the points or the line segments for every shape and update the player. That might be computationally expensive. And then I was thinking like, oh, and then we would just compare if the ball's movement vector, that frame, or I guess movement segment, that frame intersected with one of those. I think we could also expand the origin and endpoints like in the extremities, and by the radius, so we can actually, so it's not like the point, the center has to collide with an object. Right now it could be like, oh, since we kind of like made it out here, we kind of made it out here, but then like that's not where we're gonna put it, but for collision detection purposes we're gonna expand the line a little bit to take into account the radius of the object. Does that make sense? But anyway, instead of me just being stuck in my head, let me close all this. Actually, I wanted to leave one of these open, right? That one makes sense. I understand that. I want to read this more later and potentially do this. So we're gonna keep that. Oh, I'm burping now. I'm gonna sit down. Man, should I just give up streaming on YouTube? The only reason why I stream on YouTube is 0 current viewers, 0 chatters, 0 viewers, 0 average no average view duration. The only reason why I do is because it basically archives it for me, and I don't have to like. I probably should, but I don't keep any of that on my disk. Maybe I should buy like a hard disk to like back things up and just keep like a week's worth of stuff. But we're just gonna use YouTube for storage right now. It's good for VODs as well, because I think Twitch deletes them every once in a while, or yeah, after like 7 days or something. Oh, did my music die? Does that mean it's time to stop streaming? That was all chiptune? Chiptune for 2 hours, that's crazy. Oh, 1 hour and 54 seconds, 54 minutes. That's incorrect. I've been streaming for longer than that. Haven't I? Yeah, 2 hours and 17 seconds. How did this? Oh. What do we want to listen to next? Folder. Oh, how do I clear the list? Clear. Ooh. I'm just gonna clear it. Clear. Bruh. Okay, cool. Just delete. There's lo-fi. It's really quiet. Great, there's no snare. Circle, rect, collision. Tale as old as time. Oh. first pair of lines. Calculate the absolute values of the x and the y difference between the center of the circle and the center of the rectangle. Okay, so that's a problem because our rects we have to calculate our center, which I mean we can do, that's fine. I already do it for the player. Just the 4 quadrants down into 1. Let the calculations do not add to 4 times. Note that the single quadrant is shown. The rectangle is the gray area, and the red border outlines the critical area, which is exactly 1 radius away from the edges. The rectangle center within this red border intersection to a corner. Visually, this looks like what I was talking about with the GJK method. Oh, they mean lines of code. Shit, okay. Wait, which corner though? Are you doing all corners in this? Because I think this is assuming that you just have one. Or does this work with everything? Okay. Corner distance. Oh, okay. It's because we're from the center. So yeah, I think that basically calculates that curve in all corners. Because you just take into account wherever you are. Well, shit. Do I have to? Am I basically? So even if I do this to calculate a detection, I think I don't know what side I've collided with. Because this just returns a bool, and I don't think with any of this information I can really know. Oh, maybe these lines I can tell if I've collided with a particular face. Well, I guess this is false. So this we didn't have a collision. So this I might have hit. Oh no, I don't think this does. Because we do abs. So we can do this. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Equals to the right of the square. At the center. No, I believe that's at the top left. Oh, okay. You know what? I think I might just view the line method, because none of these. Oh. Huh. This finds a contact point. Neato. Okay. Point. Okay. Sure, okay, let's use this. Oh, can I do this really quick? Oh, I don't know. I'm getting kind of tired. No one's watching me. What else would I do though? I mean, like, meal prep. Have those delicious strawberries that I bought from the store. Go outside? The sun's outside. Are you mad? Are you absolutely insane? So we're just gonna make a little function. Sure, just circle. Where's rectangle? Oh, do we draw those though? Oh. Do I need a? I don't want a fucking data type. Oh, cool. Yeah, no. Oh, it returns a rect? Oh, bitch. Oh, that's neato delito. Polygon. It's a rect. What? ABC. Those refers to cells. ABC. Alright. Oh, we have a top left, bottom right. Top left, bottom left. Oh wow, we have a bunch of stuff. Alright, cool. Yeah, just we're gonna use the data types. I assume circle also has. Oh, it's a rect. What, bitch? What do you mean it's a rect? Size? Oh. Center. Oh, hey, it has a center. Fuck, dude. Do you have like a radius? Ball. Let's just print it out. Oh, yeah, because I got distracted. I don't want to write this anymore. I need the informations. Ball. Oh, it's 1010. I assume... that is... Oh, I don't know if we want to use this. Because this is the rect. I wonder if this is like the drawable rect. Because instead of drawing a rectangle, it's just drawing quads. Maybe. And like a shader or something. I don't actually know. I don't know what pygame's doing. Or maybe it just gives me a bounding box. I mean, that's fine. We don't have to fuck with that shit. We can just do whatever we fucking want. So we're just gonna take in the pygame. So it's gonna be circle position and then circle radius, and then we're gonna take in the rectangle position and the rectangle angle pose, and then the rect. I'm not typing rect. Tangle. Size? Sure. Let's see, px. Oh, that's weird. Why are you doing that? Just do I have math? Pygame math dot max. So circle. This position, right? Yeah. Dot x. And then rect. Oh, whoops. Oops. Position. That's gonna be confusing. Oh, I can probably just use Python's min and max functions. I don't need to use. I say Python. Yeah, I could use Python's min-max functions, not pygames. If pygame even has. Not y. Pause dot y plus size dot y. Circle pause dot y minus py. I hope this works. Is that an operation? Oh, yeah, no, I have circle radius. Cool. Oh. Is that a typo? Or maybe. Does it blend? Okay. We're not calling it, so it probably just doesn't. Yeah. Does it have math though? It does have math. Max. Oh. Distance. Yeah, we're just gonna use Python's math. Python has math, right? Okay, cool. Well, you guys can probably still hear the fan in the background. Not as hot as it was. What am I doing? What am I looking up? Maybe it is time to end the stream. Let me max. Okay, cool. Yeah. You do be having it, and I assume I just import max. Oh well, what if I? Whoops. From math import Oh, hey, look at that. No. And then... Oh. Word. Do I not have to import anything for that? Cannot import name min from math unknown location. Oh, is it just a thing? I guess I'm again not calling it. Okay, well then let's fucking give it some data. I don't know if people are still watching, but we had some people talking about Python stuff. One thing that I like is you can just shit out some stuff real quick, right? So I want to test this do bounce physics without actually hooking it up to stuff, which is doable in other language, but it might be a little more cumbersome. You have to go to the main function or find a function that you know you're calling and like set breakpoints and stuff like that. Which debugging Python would be good. Probably later, but like right now I just really appreciate that I can just like do bounce physics, right? Oh, that's not what I want, but I could if I wanted to. But right now I want to test the circle stuff, so I can just type in circle versus rect, and it just runs because it doesn't need to be in a main. So let's see, pygame vector 2. I'm just going to do 0, 0 with a radius of 5. And then, where am I going to put? I'm going to do new line and pygame vector 2. Where am I going to put this bad boy? So it should be the top left corner. Where I just want to do 10, 10. And then I'm going to do I guess 8, 5. Sure, yeah. And then we're gonna do let me record some stuff. Did it happen? Oops. So this should be no. Did. And this should be yours. Oh. All right, well, Python exponent. Oh, I have to use POW. Okay, so there's no operator. Oh, okay, there's an operator. I was just using the wrong one. Well, then what's the caret operator? Oh, is that exclusive OR? I just want the caret. Oh, it's right there. Oh, that's caret equals. Okay, well, can you tell me what that is? Okay, yeah, it's exclusive war. Okay. That makes sense. Alright. Oh. False. True. Cool. And let's see. And then to do the other half of this, we simply just return. Is that the actual? Is that the point of? Use bool. Because the point to tell in which direction the circle has to move. In what direction the circle has to move. Well, what is point then? What did I say, 8 or 30? I didn't say anything. Okay. And then we have the ball pose, and then we have the radius, which is 5. And so I think, yeah, before wall stuff, I guess, it doesn't really matter. I just want to see if we got a collision, and then we're going to stop the ball, and then we're going to, oh, maybe we shouldn't stop the ball. Okay, hey, what we're gonna do? Change the frame rate to 10. And then we're going to point, and then we're gonna do circle versus rectangle, and then we're gonna give ball pose 5 layer pose. Size. Right. circle, screen, red, point, 2. Debug, oh shit. Is that not a pair of numbers? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh, that would work too. So comma x y pygame vector 2 x y. Probably should have just put that in a vector to begin with. And then we need to go back. Collision point. And if collision. Dang it. Oh, how did that get there? Choke, 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 choke. Oh, I actually have to play shit. Oh, okay, that did do it for a little bit. Whoops, misclick. Huh. Oh, that doesn't really tell us much. I was hoping this would tell us enough information that we could figure out what line segment to do. I don't know if it would be worth doing this math and then after we found a collision just doing the line segment checks with after we found the collision. I don't know, let's see what this looks like. Now that it's at 60. Okay, okay. I wonder if I can make something to step through the game. Like frame by frame. Probably could. And we would step through it. So we'd still render. F9. Okay, so I want to be able to step through the thing. Okay, so like if not stepping or is stepping and rock frame, right? And then go up here, and I think we're gonna put rock frame here. Oh god, that was well, that's cool. Oh, thanks for the follow. I don't know if they're watching. Tech Hub Social, cool. Oh, I need to change my sheets. Okay, so that's kind of cool. I would like a little more control over how you get pressed. Focus, get mods, key name, key code. What does this do? Pygame, docs, keys, key code, get the key identifier from key name, get focused, true if the display is receiving keyboard input from the system, get the state of all keyboard buttons. Oh, it's just bools. Oh, okay. That kind of sucks. Why don't you just give me... Oh, I guess that's kind of what they do over here, right? Oh, that's different. Okay. Down. I should probably just look at the event system. Get event list. Do I pump the events anywhere? Or does this already do it? Review. Pump is true. The default. What do you call it? Okay, true. Okay. Then type. What does that mean? Oh, to exclude. Cool, but like event list? Like, what is that? Okay. Oops. Undo. Event. Oh, right there. Okay, so type, and then how do I check what key code it was? It was a lot easier in SDL. Oh, Jesus, 4. Yeah. Mouse motion. Oh. Pygame. Key down. Keys. Oh, event.key. Wait, where was that? That's not what I want. Okay, so so then event.key. Okay. I have 10. More prop frame. Delete that. Ooh. Oh yeah, that is not that isn't anything. Okay. Oh, look at that. I can hold it and it just doesn't move. Cool. So now I can truly actually step through. Okay. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that actually helps me at all. I don't know. So the good news though is that after I figure out however I want rectangle and circle collision to be, oh shit, that doesn't toggle. Let me make that toggle. Oh fuck. Okay, shit. Was it not 09? Is it just F9? Okay, folks. Okay, cool. That should be colliding. I should have seen one. Maybe I should make a rollback. Oh, that'd be cool. Okay, so either I fucked up, or maybe I fucked up my data somehow, or that collision detection isn't working how I think it should. Or I made a typo, or circle position y minus py to the power of 2 plus circle position dot x minus px to the power of 2 less than circle radius to the power of 2. Oh. Well, it should do this correctly, right? Right, like one would think. I didn't see a circle. Like, I didn't see a circle there either. Alright, well, I need to do some chores, clean up the kitchen, maybe mess around with Linux. I tried to this morning, but I couldn't get my motherboard to switch over the freaking secure boot, and it just would not boot from my disk. It would just always go into grub. And I got frustrated and just pulled my cable on my power cord, or I flipped the switch, I didn't pull the cable out. But anyway, yeah, I think I made pretty good progress. It's not interacting with the player, but like I was saying earlier, once I get the player figured out, since it's a rectangle, it'll be the same code for the actual blocks. And so after that, then we can start playing with sounds, maybe some textures. If I wanted to make a texture for the blocks and having them go through health, and then probably get some score of some sort. And yeah, maybe we can add juice, like get some camera shake. Maybe we can speed up the ball, maybe we could add more balls, do lots of stuff. Yeah, I don't know if I'll have time this week to stream. If I can, it'll be a surprise, so follow me. If I can't, I'll probably just stream next weekend. Yeah, I think that's about it for today. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I'll see you next time.